Right, okay, guys. Tracking oil. Now, this one is for our resident Welshman, Maxwell. So, this one's for you, kid. Now, bear with me. Flick this over. It's already in the Discord. Now, I'm just about to put the strength in for them. So, if you bear with me while I do that, I'll kind of do it for you. No problem there. Always happy to help you, kid. So in the market updates, just done this for them. Now, we were discussing something in the bar as well, but I like to show them this before I go into market as well. Okay, so there's that. Just drop that into there. Now, what we've also got is I've done a video for them of the breakdown of the trade I'm about to take. All right, why it is top-down analysis down, and they're all having a wee bit chat amongst themselves up there, which is great. It's excellent to see that. I really enjoy that the guys are getting on. Right, so I've got a last point of entry. Last point of entry is going to be about here. Okay, so we're targeting about 30 pips. Now, the further I can get that down, the better. Now, on that sheet, if I pop that back, it's telling me to wait. Now, it's waiting because I want it to come back down slightly into range. Ideally, I want momentum down and then push up. Okay, now that's come in. I'm trailing down candles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an order above here, just above that red candle. So that is that. Oh, it's gone straight to market. Bollocks. Okay. And we're looking for about that. Okay. About a 30 pip target. Now, when we look at this from the bigger picture, what we can see, it's pulled against this here. It's come up. It's come back down. But whenever you see anything like this, let me take these blue lines off, what we were using the other day. And then I can highlight a couple of things for you. One of the rules of thumb of a fib is it'll run up to a 23 and it'll look to find 38. Well, here it is here, and it did find it. And you can see how well the price reacted at that point. That is there. With its main view of going to what's called the pivot. Now, the pivot on a fib is the 50. All right. Hit the 50, pushed into a key daily pivot, which is here. Bounced off it, came back, but went back and found this as a level. Excellent. It's come back to 50. Now, as long as it holds above that 50 for a significant length of time, which it has done because it's also found a level here, bang on that 61, it will then look to find the next level, which is here. And if it breaks through that, it'll look to go back to where it came from. Well, it came from there. So it's following the rules of fib quite well. In fact, it's following them exceptionally well. It's finding the levels, retesting them, moving up, retesting them, and then pushing. Now, to get this up onto this target that I've set, ideally I would have liked it on the blue line, but well, sometimes life isn't perfect, but it will look for this upper level because, again, it's a high time frame sort of Fibonacci point and it's a solid level. So we'll try and push that, and it's pulling against this particular move here. So you've got moves inside of moves, and that's the way these things work. Now, if you were looking at that as a fib, well, it'll come down to look for the pivot and sort of failure points on that, and then push up again. So you can even look into it like this by going, well, okay, well, I can see it's a pullback in an upward motion. What's it pulling back against? Well, there again, it found that level, tried to get to the 50 and couldn't, and has pushed back up. So again, up here is possibly correct, okay, because that's shown a failure in an upward motion. And then if we are pulling against this particular move, well, up there would be an upper shot, but getting it halfway into it would be okay. So again, in and around this area, it's not out the realms of possibility, guys. Now, if you drop this out up into here, you can start seeing it. Solid push, it's come down, pushed up, and then again, you see the tails coming in. There might be red candles, but there's a hell of a lot of buyers underneath them forcing that price up. So a short trade into this level isn't that bad. And when I said short, I meant short as in time, not as in direction. Okay. So if we take it down in 15 minutes, what have we got? Right. Okay. Well, it's pulling around. Here is the danger area. So you could easily scale down into there to come back up, and you'd probably be all right. So let's play this one out, kids. Okay, Maxwell, there you go, kid. Let's get my gotta get the tickets off. Make certain that's done. Straight up. Now, the idea of that was quite a simple target. I was targeting between these 2 points. As you can see, it's come up onto here and it's bouncing. Now, drop this down into 5 minutes. You'll see it a little bit clearer. It's stopped dead on that level. So sometimes you don't know if it's going to push through. So step your trade back slightly and let it cover the spread. But there you go, 150 quid. So not difficult. Now you'll just let it reset till 12 o'clock. Maybe just do it again. But the market is all about patience, running hour to hour, and you'll be fine. There you go, kid. Hope that helps you. Talk to you a bit later on this afternoon.